In this video, I want to show you how to use feature info tool in Global Mapper. So let's get started. In Global Mapper, when you bring in your data and you want to quickly see an overview information about the data, so there is a tool in Global Mapper called feature info tool. It allows you to query loaded data with a single click. So to use it, once you load in your data like this, come to this very tool. Here is the icon of feature info tool. Click on it and it will bring this tip to tell you how to use it. So click on OK. Then move to any portion of your data. For example, if I want to query this very line, it's actually this data is a contour line. So if I want to see an overview of this very contour line, I'll just click on it. Once I click on it, the feature information will come up and you can see the name of that very elevation. The name is 625 meter elevation, and you can see the feature type is a contour line. The geometry, everything is here. The map name, you can see all information, the attribute and the value, all are here. So you can see that just at a glance, I can see information or details of this very contour line. So for example, if I want to view another line, let's say this minor one, if I click on it, you can see the information about this very contour line here. So now if it is a raster, for example, let me use this digital elevation model. Let me check it. Now if you want to drop the one selected, just click on the tool again and click on OK, so it will drop it. Now to check info about, for example, this digital elevation model, so just click at any point like this. It will bring the information, the pixel information for you like this. So you can see that this feature info tool helps you to quickly see an overview of your feature in Global Mapper. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel and join our channel membership. Thank you for watching.